Hello, hello. I've got a unboxing slash mini review, I guess. I like little gadgets. I like little gadgets like these. This is the product from a company called Weirdbeast. Yes, Weirdbeast. It's weird, yeah. Weird name, but okay, whatever. You know, I've heard worse, I guess. It's the Weirdbeast Generation 3 remote control ocean wave project sleek nightlight projector with built-in ambient auto bedroom living room decoration lamp for kids or adults. And this is the black color. You can also get it in white. It's $22.99 on Amazon right now. Prime shipping. But we have there are no instructions inside. They're on the back here. There's a little control panel at the bottom. Previous song, volume, you can switch the light. There's 7 modes and volume up and down. Next song, which there is a micro SD slot in here, so you can actually play music through it as well if you wanted to. You can use the previous song, next song for the micro SD card or for the built-in ambient sounds, which I'll show you real quick here. Let's open it up here. A little box here with some accessories, some padding. And here it is here. It's small, you know, it's fairly small, as you can see here. A little speaker on the back there. And then we have DC 5-volt input. There's no power supply with this. It's charged with USB, which is kind of sad. They don't give you one with it, actually. In the pack here, that's nothing. We've got a remote, of course, with power, flash mode, rotate mode, there's play, pause, skip, there's a timer, volume plus minus, and then there's timer modes, 1, 2, and 4 hours you can set it for. There's so there is instructions. Sorry about that. I didn't see them before. Because I actually did open this because I was curious about it. But yeah, here's all the full instructions, so I was wrong about that. Anyway, here we have, there is also an auxiliary in, and there's the TF card port, which they give you an auxiliary cable here. You can play music through it if you wanted to. And it's micro USB connection on the end there, which goes to this. And anyway, what I was saying is they don't give you a power cord, a power adapter with it, but you can use the one for your phone, actually, or anything similar like that, because it's just standard 5-volt. I'm going to plug it into my computer since that's where I'm doing this video at. Got an on-off switch on the bottom. On the front is these are touch-sensitive controls. Again, you've got forward and back, volume up and down, and power, but it's also to change the modes. And this little clear window down here is for the remote control sensor. Apparently, I need 2 AAA batteries, which they don't include. But you don't need to use the remote, you know, to have to. But here, this is just regular, you know, from my computer. But let's plug it in and turn it on. Now you're not going to really get to see the light, of course, you know. You got to hold it in for a second. I don't know if you can hear that. Here, it's all the way up. There's the one ambient sound. Oops, that's just changed the lighting mode. We've got 7 different lighting modes. Or off, of course. I like the blue one personally because it's like water. When it actually reflects on the ceiling, it does look like water. But we have the crickets mainly, frog, ocean, really loud, a babbling brook, bunch of birds, and crickets again. So we're back to the crickets again. And then we can change all the different modes there. These are neat. I like little gadgets like this. I'm sorry, you know. I always have. And something like this is kind of cool. Weirdbeast is the company. Again, it is a remote control ocean wave. Oops. They are very sensitive, as you can see. I'm barely touching it. Remote control Ocean Wave Project Sleep Nightlight Projector. $22.99. You can, as I said, you can use a TF card with it, micro SD card, or you can plug in an MP3 player, via the aux cable if you want to, or you can just use the sounds that it comes with. Personally, I would. They're neat, or actually, you don't even need to use the sounds at all. You can just turn them off too. But neat little product. I think it is. I think, especially kids. I think kids would like something like this. I'm not a kid, and I like it. But that's it. Thanks a lot.